In this video, we'll be talking about how to withdraw money from Stake to Google Pay. So in order to do that, head over first to your Stake and then click onto this wallet option. Now in here, we have in here the balance as well as the currency we have a balance in. Have in here a TRX and then click onto this withdraw option. Now from in there, just choose in here the amount that you want to withdraw, and as you can see, they're asking for a TRX address. So as you can see, or as we all know, the Google Play or Google Pay actually doesn't have the cryptocurrency option. So what we can do is we can use our bank as well as Binance. Head over to Binance right here and click onto this receive option. And once you have clicked onto that receive option, next thing that you need to do is to just choose the TRX that we have earlier on the list, then copy the wallet address of that. Now from in there, just input right here their X address, click onto this for verify in order to activate the two-factor authentication, then click onto this withdraw option. Once that's been done, next thing we need to do is head over right here again on our Binance and click onto this transfer option in order to transfer it into your bank account. Once it's been transferred right here to your bank account, next thing you need to do is to just head over right here to your Google Payments. You can go to payments@google.com and click onto this add a payment method. Now from in there, this will load, and then from in here, just add the debit card of the bank that you're actually transfer the stake money into, and then save it, and then use it to pay for things.